Hey guys, what's up? I'm on Tanner's phone. There he is.
He's a retard. Let me
Here,
cut that out.
record.
Okay, guys. That you the retard? Okay, what's up, guys?
Give him spotlight. Wait, good spotlight.
Hold on, he gonna give me some spotlight. Okay, guys. So, yeah. So, leave a comment down below what you guys want me to do. I'm gonna be doing some softball videos today, tomorrow, if it don't get canceled. And yeah, I can make mine 1991.
You have any more?
No, I read my gun. And so yeah, and might be doing some fishing. Give a shout out to Colton Bass. He's right there. Whoa!
Hey, subscribe to me. Subscribe. Colton Bass.
And subscribe to me. And subscribe to subscribe to Green Bay Packers 2017.
No.
Green Bay Packers 2017. Green Bay Packers 2017.
No.
Can I do it like this, Colton?
Shamara Coleman, if you're out here watching it,
What's up? I love you.
and give a shout out to Roman Outwood. And yeah.
I need some spotlight, boys. I need some spotlight.
I need some. Send it.
I'll just.